This month's Hymns at Home focuses on Come Thou Almighty King. Originally written in 1757, the author is unknown, but the tune was the same tune to England's national anthem, or God Save Our Gracious King. It became popular in America during the Revolutionary War, but more so as a way to subtly defy the King of England, which makes sense to me of why no one would want to put their name on it. Thankfully, the song calls us to look away from our earthly issues and our political struggles, and to focus on the one who sets kings over kingdoms and established the earth by His word. This song allows us to worship the Trinity as individual persons and then together as one unit. For example, verse 1, the Father or the Almighty. Verse 2, the Son or the Incarnate Word. Verse 3, the Holy Spirit, the one who is the Holy Comforter and who teaches us the things of the Lord. And then verse 4 combines all four to worship the Trinity as one whole. The tune we know today was written in 1769, and the arrangement that we sing here at Walnut Street was done by the Gettys. The Gettys had also added a chorus along with that really ties all of these verses together, giving all glory to the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. So I hope that you will sing with us and worship the King of Kings as we sing, Come Thou Almighty King.
Come thou almighty King, help us thy name to sing, help us to praise, Father all glorious, o'er all victorious, come and reign over us, Ancient of Days. Come thou incarnate Word, gird on thy mighty sword, our prayer attend, come and thy people bless, and give thy word success, Spirit of holiness on us descend. All glory be to the Father, all glory be to the Son, all glory be to the Spirit, the blessed three in one. Come, Holy Comforter, thy sacred witness bear in this glad hour, thou who almighty art, now rule in every heart, and ne'er from us depart, Spirit of power. All glory be to the Father, all glory be to the Son, all glory be to the Spirit, the blessed three in one. To thee, great one in three, eternal praises be. Hence evermore, death where now is thy sting, crown him the King of Kings, we to eternity love and adore. All glory be to the Father, all glory be to the Son, all glory be to the Spirit, the blessed three in one. All glory be to the Father, all glory be to the Son, all glory be to the Spirit, the blessed